Okay, now welcome back. This is going to be stage 2 of making promo apps for Golf Wars. Okay, and now by this time we have already gotten our embedded code ready with our banners to be set up for MySpace to be hopefully accepted and go live. So once we have done the embedded code, let's go ahead and minimize your WordPad. And let's go ahead and open up a fresh window. And now we're going to go ahead and do it. We're going to Google an image for the promo app. So in this case, let's go ahead and search tattoo for this game that I am using as example. Click on images. Now any image will do as long as it's not showing any nudity or having any vulgar or anything that might offend anybody in any way. Okay, so let's go ahead and keep the pictures clean. Okay, any will do. So all you got to do is basically click on the picture and then just go ahead and save picture as, and go ahead and label it. It would be best and simple if you label one picture 64 by 64 and the other picture 16 by 16 for that promo app. Okay, you will need 2 pictures. Okay, now let's come over here to your program for resizing pictures, and not in my case it's Infinite View. Let's go ahead and open up your pictures and sorry, wrong one. Share documents, there we go. Okay, there we go. My pictures. Alright, now basically what you're going to go ahead and do is scroll down to where you find your pictures. This will be an example of what we're doing. And this is what the picture looks like before. Okay, this is going to be my 64 by 64. Let's go and click on image and go and scroll down to resize, resample. And you see how it says height 135, width 101. Let's go ahead and click on height since it's the highest number. Delete it and click 64. And if you notice, it changes the width to 48. So remember, if you see a number higher than the other, go with the higher number to change. Click OK, and it resizes your picture like this. Now let's go ahead and come up and save it. So it'll be tattoo artist, and let's go. This was a 64 by 64. Okay. And now once you have done this to both pictures, one being 64 by 64 and your other one being 16 by 16, you're ready to move on to the next process. You can go ahead and minimize this window. Now let's go ahead and come over here to your MySpace platform. Okay. All you gotta do is log into MySpace and go ahead and search MySpace platform on web under myspace.com. And once you find the platform, you'll go ahead and click on that live link. It will bring you to this window. You will see home, documentation, build, tools, my apps, forum, blog. Let's click on my apps. Now you will see where it says create new app. Let's go ahead and click on that. You will see MySpace apps, MySpace ID. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit and you will see where it says create on-site app on the MySpace app section. Let's go ahead and click on that. Next, your next screen will say application title, email address, password, confirm password. Go ahead and click on application title and let's put in the name of the game that you'll be doing. In this case, I'm using Tattoo Artist 3. And now your email address you will not be using your personal email address for this. You'll be using a bogus email address. It would be best if you keep tab on your email addresses you're using so you don't get them confused and use the one that's already been used and then have it let you know that this one's already, being used. So go ahead and keep tab of your email addresses. You can use Yahoo, Gmail, MSN. You can use anyone you want to use. Create a password you're always going to remember. Create a password that you can use over and over again, so you will never forget it. You can use the same password for every different account. Now let's go ahead and click on I agree. Let's scroll down. Let's come over to the capture box, fill it in. And click next. Next, you will see upload app XML, edit app information, edit app source. Let's go and click on your edit app source link. And next, it will bring you to another page, and it will say canvas surface, profile surface, home surface. We're going to go ahead and leave it on canvas surface, okay? This is where you're going to go ahead and embed your embedded game code. So let's come back to your WordPad and highlight your embedded code of the game. Go ahead and copy, come back down over here, and let's paste it on the canvas. If you want, go ahead and double check, make sure you got everything changed out, everything's nice and neat, that everything's connected, and you got your right height and width for your video or game as well. After you're done checking that, go ahead and click on save application source. Once it's done, it will let you know that it was successful. Once you see that, let's go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and click on this link right here. This will allow you to view your promo app and actual live status, so in case if it does go live, you don't want it looking pretty nasty or messed up. Okay, it's taking a while to load up, but basically this is the way it's going to look. Now, some games will fall in between the banners like it is right here, and some games your screen will actually be flush with the bottom and the top of the banner. So right here it would actually show that it's flush right there and flush right here. Okay, it's very important that you check your promo app before going back and turning it into pending status on MySpace. Also as well, a quick tip: if you have a game that requires for you to use your arrow pads to control the game, do not waste your time with it. Go ahead and delete that promo app and redo another one, for the fact that your arrow keys also control your page. Whenever you're playing the game, it's going to make your page scroll up and down at the same time that you're playing the game, and they will consider interference with the MySpace page, and they will deny it. So if you see your game requiring that you use your arrow pad, do not worry about it. Go ahead and delete the game and go ahead and do another one. So once you have viewed, and if you want, you can test the game yourself, make sure it functions right. You're ready to go. You can go and close this window out. Now let's go and scroll back up to the top, and let's click on My Apps again. I missed a little step right there. Let's go ahead and click back on Edit Source. I'm sorry about that. Real quick, let's go ahead and click on Edit App Information. And stay tuned. I'm gonna have to go ahead and start stage 3 from here.